Snow leopard cubs stay with their mothers longer than those of almost any other big cat. They remain together for over 2 years as they learn how to master the extremes, which they do so well that they are able to thrive in some of the hottest, coldest, and highest places on Earth. Some animals over millions of years have evolved ways of surviving extremely hostile conditions. But as the extremes become more extreme, evolution is being outpaced. These extraordinary places are still inhabited by some of Earth's most resilient and adaptable species. But in our rapidly changing world, this is planet Earth as you may never see it again.